Wow. Prototypes. That's how they do it. Complete prototype body. Yeah. This DeSoto Airflow series. Body frame of the DeSoto Airflow series. Are the cars that they made through the years. Toyota BX. Toyota model BX truck. Toyopet Crown. Double wishbone front suspension. Huh? See?
It's only zero.
Fun to drive. It's Toyota Museum. This is a Toyota Model AA 1936. Nice interior. Ooh. From the movie 1935. This one is Toyota Model G1 truck. This is a Toyopet Model SA 1951. 1947. Then this one is Toyopet light truck SKB 1954. Look at that ribs. Toyo Ace. Toyopet Crown 1955. This is classic Toyota Corolla 1966. Corolla Sprinter 1968. This is Toyota Corona. Toyopet Corona. 1490cc. Deluxe. Toyota Camry 1982. The 80s. ZX. This is a Toyota Corona. Toyopet Corona. Then we have Corolla Tercel 1978.
Just only the privacy seat.
Oh,
It was okay at the time.
thank you. So this one doesn't have side mirrors. No side mirror. No side mirror. They only have one for the drivers. The lady said it was okay back in the day. And then Celica, yummy. Look at the paint. This is 1970 Celica 1588. What tire is this? Yokohama. The rim size R13 165/80 by 130. Oh, Soarer 1981. Wow. Neat. Toyota Soarer 2.8 two-door automatic. This one is Celsius 1989. Toyota 2000 GT. Wow, so cramped. 1967. This is maximum speed of 220 kilometers per hour. Look, its size so small. Look at that. Mint. Prius. This one is 1997. Then, of course, the modern cars. We have Mirai 2020. This is 2014. Older. Very modern. We have LFA. Wow. Inside. This is 2010 LFA. Yep. Oh? WRC. GR Toyota. Nice. Oh, look at that. What is attached to the glass? Rims. Scorpion, Pirelli Scorpion 205/65 R15. Fiber raw. Plastic molding. Okay, and we're going to get Travis. Hold on, 1, 2, 3, go. So you wait for it to turn green. So this is mine, and now you can press it. Okay, put the strap, and that's it.